The BMW X7 refresh is a case of one step forward, one step back. On the plus side, the preferred turbocharged inline six-cylinder gets accelerated energy and gas efficiency thanks to the addition of a slight hybrid system. A new electrical assist gadget was introduced to the X7 6 and 8-cylinder engines, although the 6-cylinder engine benefited the most. It beneficial properties 40 horsepower for a complete of 375 horsepower and about 15% greater low-end torque. The V8 is built from absolutely new components, in accordance to BMW, but produces the equal power as the preceding engine. At 523 horsepower, it feels like pretty a lot, although the 6-cylinder engine is no slouch either. The new X7 is additionally outfitted with advanced air suspension and anti-roll function, which offers it a assured experience that is uncommon in its class. That helps him manage better than most rivals, with extra controlled body movements in corners. At the front, the X7 facets restyled headlamps, with LED intensity packed into a tighter space. The large kidney grille stays a like or leave it proposition, however, assuming you like it, you now have the option to mild it up with some small LED accents. Inside the cabin, two separate high-definition Sprint screens merge seamlessly into one expansive curved widescreen, incorporating digital driver contraptions and the X7's infotainment nerve center. It's a certainly dazzling unit, and its curvature encourages occupants to manipulate features such as navigation that would possibly distract the driver. The cumulative changes provide the X7 inside in the aggressive class of giant luxurious SUVs. But if you decide on a large SUV that can nevertheless squeeze through corners at pinnacle speed, the up-to-date 2023 X7 is one of your first-rate bets. The X7 xDrive 40i hurries up from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. That's noticeably spectacular for a luxurious 3-row SUV with 6 cylinders. The X7 crossover is incredibly athletic round corners for an SUV of that size, mainly when you examine it to its truck-based alternatives. On greater movements drives, the X7 is clean and effortless to ride. Transmission shifts are quick and unobtrusive. Large doors make getting in and out of the cabin easy. First row rooms are great, and there may be masses of room in the 2D row for 6 feet. The 0.33 row is quite cramped, but some negotiating with second-row passengers made matters work from a legroom standpoint. The sloping roofline interferes with headroom for taller rear seat passengers. The X7 features a break-up tailgate that helps stop items from sliding out the lower back if you park on a driveway uphill. There's also a button to lower the air suspension if you are loading very heavy items. Cargo figures 12.8 cubic feet behind the 1/3 row, 48.6 cubes at the back of the 2D and 90.4 cubic toes behind the first compete with the crossover. There are huge pockets on all the doors, alongside with cup holders in every row. The front cup holders are even heated and cooled, a neat touch not observed on non-luxury SUVs. Loading the automobile seat is a breeze thanks to the beneficent house and without problems available latch anchors and tethers.